Hi, we're at Embedded World 2020, and I wanted to show you a demo that we have. Here we're showing a simple demo of the difference between an electronic rolling shutter camera and a global shutter camera. Here we have a global shutter camera on the right and a rolling shutter camera on the left. One of the things that I wanted to show you, the rolling shutter camera exposes the rows of each frame in succession and reads those rows out, and a global shutter camera exposes all of the frame at the same time. So it's very good for machine vision applications such as barcode reading. So to demonstrate this, what I wanted to show you here is I'll stop the wheel and I'll take a picture, and you can see that both of them look pretty good, right? But however, if I let the wheel start again, let it fire up a little bit faster, and I'll take another picture. You can see that the rolling shutter camera shows a lot of distortion, and the global shutter camera doesn't show any distortion. So it's great for barcode applications, machine vision applications, including profiling of objects and other things like that. I hope this is educational for you, and if you have any other questions, please contact us at our sales inbox, sales@technexion.com. Visit our website, or come and visit us in our booth at Embedded World.